nasa running era mo rin ba ikaw ngayon? At you just started running maybe this year, January. Pwede rin naman last year or maybe 2 years ago. And medyo na-experience mo yung mga tamad moments. For example, hirap gumising ng umaga or hirap gumising ng maaga to run, 'di ba? Hirap or minsan parang nawawalan ka ng gana to join your usual groups or even running alone. There's one thing that I'd like to guarantee sa inyo. Sobrang normal lang 'yan. That's totally okay. I've been running I started 2009. Nakwento ko na to before eh. I started in 2009. Nagre-review ako noon. So sabi ko, might as well keep myself healthy and while aiming to be a top notcher. Pero hindi po tayo naging top notcher and that's okay. So 2009 until nag-start ako mag-join ng mga fun run. So ilang years yun? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 17. 17 years na po tayong tumatakbo sa lahat. Hindi, tumatakbo like mga yung usual na run. You wear your shoes, you wear your running shirt, running shorts. Iba-iba na rin. I tried my first fun run was actually a 10-kilometer run. Tapos doon ako nag-explore din ng mga ibang distances. Nag-try ako ng half. Nakailang 42 rin yata ako. I think parang siguro more than 20 na 42 kilometers kasi yan yung kasagsagan ng sobrang addict ko talagang tumakbo. That was siguro 2013 to 2016. Ay, hindi, 2013 to 2015 siguro, ganyan. 2012, yan. So, mandami, mga marathons. Tapos, naisip ko din, sabi ko, may bago, ultramarathon. So, I also tried ultramarathon. I think that was 60 kilometers. Pero wag ka, nag-ano ako dun. Nag-4th place ako dun. Dahil 4 lang kami tumakbo. Hindi, marami kaming tumakbo nun. Nag-4th place ako kasi nga that time I was, imagine 64 kilos. 64 kilos ako nun, so sobrang gaan ko. So, kayang-kaya ko talagang buhatin yung sarili ko sa pagtakbo at mabilis pa. Alam mo yun, taas ang endurance, mabilis. Kaya lang kasi lahat yun, bunga lang ng pagkatsaga talaga sa training. So, kanina kumat ko kayo natanong kung kayo ay nasa inyong running era. Balik lang tayo doon kasi ang layo na nung kinukwento ko ngayon. I'm telling you, that's totally normal. In my 17 years of running, hanggang ngayon, imagine hanggang ngayon, may ganun pa rin talaga ako na moment na parang sinabi ko, halimbawa today, sinabi ko, tatakbo ko bukas, kailangan maaga, 6 a.m. gising na ako or 5:30 a.m. gising na ako, nagpe-prepare na ako niyan. Dapat 6 a.m. tumatakbo na ako niyan. May mga times pa rin talaga na pipiliin nating matulog ng mas mahaba or pipiliin natin na magpahinga na lang. Pipiliin natin na katamaran. Minsan, may totoo naman minsan talagang tinatamad lang naman tayo. But what I'm saying is, that's normal. No? And that's okay. Ang hindi okay siguro ay yung magiging habit mo na siya. I was reading this book na binigay sa amin ng aming Tita Edna, our agency director. That was a book, that's a book na ibinigay, na ibinenta sa akin, hindi binenta. Actually parang gano'n na din, binenta naman talaga. With from one of our speakers, si Bunny, hindi ko lang kung si Bunny Pages or Bunny's Pages, yun yung pangalan ng book. Isa dun sa mga chapter na nagustuhan ko doon, sinabi niya na kahit gaano kakatalino, kahit gaano kakalakas, kahit gaano kakaganda, kahit gaano kakagwapo, kahit gaano kakayaman, lahat na ng kahit gaano, if there is no self-discipline, it will be very difficult for you to achieve whatever you want to achieve or to be the person you wanted to be, because yun yung big life changer or maybe big impact na pwede mong ma-experience if there is that level of awareness about self-discipline. So while reading the book, naisip ko, kamusta ba yung self-discipline ko? Especially when it comes to running. I mean, that's what we're talking about right now. If you will ask me, definitely it's not perfect. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Okay lang yun. Di ba? Hindi ganun ka-perfect ang self-discipline ko, pero nakapag-marathon naman ako eh. Di ba? Nakapag-marathon pa ako. My fastest marathon was 4, wow, bragging. Okay lang, minsan lang naman. 4 hours and 7. Imagine, ganun kabilis yung marathon ko. Hindi ko na na-beat yun, pero that's my fastest. Nang hindi ganun ka-perfect ang self-discipline. I'm not saying na kailangan sablay ang self-discipline, no? But I'm not saying din naman na dapat perfect ang self-discipline. Talagang kailangan nyo lang tanggapin na may mga pagkakataon that your self-discipline may not be always okay. And that's okay. Something that I'd like to share with everyone na hindi naman dahil hindi mo siya nagagawa everyday you will not achieve yung gusto mong mangyari, especially for those who are in the running era. What I think will matter is that level of awareness na okay, sumablay ako sa self-discipline ko today, but there's something that I need to do about it. Mangyayari ba ulit ito bukas? Gagawin ko ba ulit ito bukas? Will I choose to be this same person na na-experience ko today, na hindi nakatakbo, na piniling matulog maghapon, di ba? Or maybe hindi gumising ng maaga para makatakbo. It's gonna be a decision. It's gonna be your choice if that same person will exist again the next day. And I think that's self-discipline, no? You have to acknowledge what happened. You have to learn from it and decide after where would you like to go after that. So sa mga nahihilig tumakbo ngayon, okay lang yan, no? Na minsan tinatamad tayo. Or kung hindi ka tinatamad, okay lang din, mas okay yun. That's very good, no? Approve yan. But if there are times for those, no, if there are times that you feel like if you don't feel like running, that's okay. No, but I really hope and pray na the next time, the next day, you will choose a different path. Because I want you to push. I wanted to push you to be that person that you want to become. Kung gusto mong ma-achieve ang iyong first half marathon this year, first marathon, first ultra marathon, kahit anong race pa yan, I want you to do that. I want you to achieve that regardless of the journey. I mean, the journey will never be easy. Maraming challenges along the way. You just have to honor and acknowledge that and decide what you are going to do next. Yun lang. Kasi nakita ko ng post kanina about tinamad siyang tumakbo today. Kasi ako may ganun din ako moment eh. Minsan nananalo yung katamaran sa akin. But again, what is important is what's gonna happen after that, or what's gonna happen the day after that. Yan lang. I hope that helps. Back to work.